Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Aqara P100 sensor, the FP300 sensor, and the M200 hub. And the reason that we're doing it on the channel is if you're watching this on May 26th, Aqara, which is the Irish for "oh friend," the way you say it phonetically, Aqara has just launched on Amazon.ie. So it is now available via the Amazon Ireland website, and they reached out and said, would you be interested in having a look at some of our products? And seeing this is smart home tested, Aqara has been on my radar. I would have had a chat with them at the CES this year, 2026 in Las Vegas. So what we're going to do is unbox each of the three and then do a real quick smart room setup. No wires. We've got a wireless presence sensor. We've got a wireless multi-state sensor, and then we've got the hub as well that we can plug in. That's going to be really simple. I'm going to probably time it to see how long it takes me to actually set up a smart room and not have to drill holes, tack wires around the place, etc., etc. So let's get into it. So we've got the FP300, we've got the P100 as mentioned, and we have the Aqara Hub M200. We'll start off with that. You can see on the box, Matter thread built in, border router, works with Apple Home, Alexa, Home Assistant, which is what I'm running here on Home Assistant Green, also works with Samsung and Google Home. Some specifications on this side, the back, just more information there. And then on the other side, it is a Zigbee hub and a Matter bridge. It is a third-party support device as well. Superior wired and wireless connectivity, voice control with Aqara, VoiceMate, infrared control, which is interesting. You've got older TVs, appliances, air conditioning unit, and local automations as well, rather than having to do stuff in the cloud. So once we open it up, I'll show you what it looks like. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. There we go. And so we have our little booklet. We've got the download the Aqara Home app, FAQ, and got the Matter device code there as well. This is your USB-A to USB-C power. And then we have PoE there, USB-C, USB-A. You can mount it as well. Got more codes here. It's kind of like a rubberized ring, and it has a perforated edge. I presume that's where the speaker is. So nice and clean design, black puck. And so what else can we tell you about the Matter M200? As mentioned, it's a Matter controller and a thread border router. It's a multi-protocol hub that can simultaneously manage both Aqara Zigbee accessories and next-gen thread and Matter devices locally. Dual band Wi-Fi 6 and Ethernet. You can have that unlocks a faster, more secure WPA wireless connections over 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and it also features that RJ45 Ethernet port, which supports power over Ethernet for ultimate connectivity and stability if you have your home or office set up like that. It's the speaker system is a 90 decibel speaker with custom audio. It acts as a loud multi-purpose siren for security alarms, a customizable doorbell, or a voice announcer using uploaded personalized audio files. And it's a local automation core. Features advanced local execution capable of maintaining high-speed, reliable automated actions even when handling up to 40 Zigbee and 40 thread devices at the exact same time. So that is the Aqara Hub, the M200. Next up in the frame is the FP300. So with the FP300, you can see on the box as well, it says it is Aqara Hub or thread router, whichever one you want to on the screen then it says PIR and multi-millimeter wave detection. It's unusual for battery operators. You can use Zigbee or Thread, multi-ambient sensor, and then flexible insulation. Nice, and it has all the logos on the box. It's so small. Look at that. Teeny tiny. A little in the box. A little multiple layers, all of that. Then we have our download, and I'm sure we've got our Matter code there. And then in the box itself, got a 3M sticker, which is magnetic. Sorry, it is not magnetic, it's just stick. And then with the hub or the sensor itself, you just pull out the tab, which is built in there. Very good. Okay. And you can have that sit somewhere, stand somewhere, stick somewhere. Very flexible. Okay. So that is that. And you've got your Matter code on the side of it then as well. And it has the humidity sensor, and there's a lux sensor in there as well. So with the FP300, now we would have looked at the newer FP400, but today we're looking at the FP300. It's wire-free, battery-powered for multi-millimeter wave, I can rarely say it, radar sensors. We have two replaceable CR2450 2450 batteries lasting up to 3 years potentially. No power cable. It's a dual PIR and 60 gigahertz multi-millimeter wave tech. So the PIR will pick you up straight away, and then if you're in the room and you're not moving too much, the 60 hertz radar will detect stationary presence, but it also will eliminate false absent reports. It's a 5-in-1 compatible tracking, multi-sensor powerhouse, tiny little footprint, human presence, ambient light, lux levels, temperature and humidity. So it does all of that. It has AI spatial learning and calibration. So it employs advanced machine learning to automatically map the room, filter out micro motions such as fans or curtains, and features 10 manually adjustable radar sensors sensitivity levels. And it's the world's first dual protocol support. It can act as a dual Zigbee and Thread device, can bridge deeply into the Aqara app for advanced tracking, or connect directly to native Matter fabrics such as Apple Home, Google Home, Home Assistant without the hub. So you can choose which one you want. You won't get all the functions if you're just using it via a non-Aqara hub, but that is the Aqara FP300. Move that out of the way. And then we have the multi-state sensor, which I would have seen in CES, and we had some examples of this, the P100. Such a little dinky. We've got our QR code, little booklet, and then your stick on if you want to stick it on. That's how you unlock it. To get the lock and unlock, let's spin that around. Then some stick on stuff. It's so small. And the fact that it's one part rather than the two parts, I've got one on my door here where you've got that on one of the door, one on the door frame. Comes in two different colors as well. And so the P100, what are we looking at? It is no magnet design, eliminates the annoying bulky second magnets required by traditional contact sensors, and it mounts in a single sleek unit, and it calibrates entirely based on the internal angle tracking. It has a 9-axis sensor to track subtle physical states in 3-dimensional space. It can include a real-time tilt angle, vibration, drops and falls, face up or face down orientation, so you can really use this on a lot of different elements. Smart self-calibration automatically learns its exact insulation angle upon setup, establishing a high precise reference baseline that makes it perfect for non-standard opening like hopper windows, drawer lids, mailbox flaps. So I'm thinking about putting this in my post box. It has a triple tap action, allowing sensors to double as a discrete scene controller whenever you stick it. And then 10 distinct sensitivity tiers coupled with customizable reporting intervals from 5 seconds to 5 minutes. And you can prioritize either instant security alerts or extended battery life. So you can put this on a window or a door, external window, and it'll pick up broken wind glass, etc., etc. So the plan is plug in the hub, set it up, and then put this in my living room and put this on the window and do a scenario where it picks up coming into the room, turn on the light, turns on the air conditioner, but if I open the window, it will turn off the air conditioner. So let's do that scenario now. So automation number 1, I haven't mounted this yet, but you could mount it up here and at an angle and I pick it up. And because it has a PIR sensor and a mmWave, multi-millimeter wave sensor, it'll pick it up initially with the PIR because that's faster, but then it will notice if you're in the room, etc. So the automation number 1 is at a certain time, either sunset, or you can set it that the lux in the room is too dark. When somebody walks into the room, it turns on 3 of the lights. So I'll show you what that looks like now. So as I walk into the room, it picks me up, and we have this lamp over here, we have this light in the corner, and we also have the light around the TV unit. And that all comes on because this little sensor over here picked me up, and it'll stay on as long as I'm in the room. There's Darwin, the queen of the house. And once somebody's not in the room, it'll turn the lights off. And as mentioned, you can do that via the, if you use it via Thread, you can use it via Apple HomeKit or Home Assistant or Google Home. And if you do it via the Aqara Zigbee, it'll do that automation as well. So yeah, that is the presence sensor. That also has lux, so lightness, humidity, temperature. So there's a lot of sensors in that, and the fact that it's wireless means that you can bring it anywhere with you, mount it anywhere, and it just has those 2 batteries. So that was automation number 1. Automation number 2 is the P100. Now they sent me a white one, but you can't get black ones or dark ones. Black one, I think it is black, and so it'll blend in much nicer there. So this could be used as security, but what I've used it for is open and close. So it's, it's in the closed state, and then when you open the window, it knows it's in the open state. And so the automation is once I close it, it knows then to bring down the blind, the automatic blind. That could be turn off the air conditioning or turn on the air conditioning once the window is opened. This is via Thread. It'll only do open-close window. Via the Zigbee and the Aqara hub, it'll do tilt, it'll do fall detection, so it's much more, there's much more functionality and capability via the Aqara hub, which is Zigbee. But if you do Thread and Matter, it is just open-close window. So when I turn on the automation and I close it, then the actual blinds know that the window's closed and that they can come down. So that's just some automations. I'm also looking at putting that up on the post box outside, so I know that I've got post. So that is my smart room makeover. No wires, no alignment required. Thanks to Aqara for sending me these products to review. And if it's the 25th of May, 2026, the 26th or the 27th, you can get avail of a 10% discount on the Aqara store on Amazon.ie. Link in the description. Hopefully you've enjoyed that video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please do so. Hit the like button, leave a comment if you're watching it on mobile, hype the video, and remember to follow Smart Home Tested for the Smart Life Simplified.